And men, listen, y'all not immune either.
Sometimes people can see you better from the outside than you can see yourself from the inside.
True.
It's like sometimes the people that love you the most, it's like they're walking around with a video recorder and recording what they see of you, but you can't see it until you run it back. And you don't want to run it back sometimes because you're afraid of what you're going to see. You're afraid you're going to have to actually acknowledge your flaws and change them. But you have to trust and respect people in order to even take a look at the tape.
Yes. And listen, listen, y'all not immune either. A lot of men want to be respected and listened to, but have trouble giving it in return. You can't expect to get what you don't give.
Indeed.
All right. So take for instance the breadwinner and the homemaker. If you are the breadwinner and you want respect for winning the bread, you have to give her respect for making the home.
Can you say that one more time for the people all the way in the back?
Listen, for the people in the back.
Who can't hear?
Listen, if you are the breadwinner and you want her to respect you for making the bread, you have to respect her for making the home.
God doggone it. What he said.
What I said.
Woo! Trust and respect will work without love, but it can't work the other way around. Okay? You can trust somebody and love them and not respect them, and there's going to be major problems.
True.
Okay? You can respect somebody and love them, but if you don't trust them, there's going to be major problems.
Facts.
Okay? But if you trust somebody and respect them, it can be no problems. Why is that? Because trust and respect are the foundations to any relationship, whether it's romantic, friendship, work, or otherwise.
Facts.
You trust people on a deeper level when they have shown a pattern of trust.
Yes.
And when that pattern is broken, the faith that they had in you is gone. So when it comes to rebuilding that trust, you can't start where the pattern was broken. You got to start that thing from ground zero.
From scratch.
You got to start all over. Okay? So that's why it's important to be a trustworthy individual. When you break their trust over and over again, it reflects poorly on you.
Yes.
You are devaluing yourself by proving to be an untrustworthy and unrespectable individual.
Wow.
Is that really how you want to show up in the world? Is that really how you want to show up with the person that you love? You get what I'm saying, babe?
I totally get what you're saying. And going back to respect, I'm just sitting here thinking now, you heard a lot of people talk about, you gonna respect me.
No, I ain't. You gonna earn my respect or you won't get it.
Facts. And listen, respect is earned.
Yes.
Respect is based off of what you do. So if you're running around being disrespectful, don't expect to be respected. You running around beating your chest, sorry, but I'm sorry.
Do it. Do it.
You
Do
running
it.
around the
Give
house,
it.
you cutting up, running around the house, beating your chest, calling folks out their name, expecting them to respect you. They just gonna tolerate you until they find someone else.
100%. Because guess what? You think fear is respect? It ain't. Fear is fear.
That's all it is.
Respect is reverence. And what is reverence? That's when people look at you and say, you know what? This is a person that is worthy of being looked up to. Because they are not only saying, but they are doing all of the things that are necessary for a person that is worthy of being respected is doing.
True.
Oh, you gonna respect me? No. You gonna make somebody fear you. But let me tell you something. Deep in their head, they do not respect you.
Not one bit.
Period. Okay? So at the end of the day, guys, love is just simply not enough. Okay? It is just not enough. To have a long-lasting, happy relationship, love is not gonna cut it. Okay? You need also, at the bare minimum, and I will say this because a lot of things fall under those two categories of trust and respect.
Absolutely.
And don't forget to like.
And share.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Hit that notification bell.
Until next time.
Peace.